So this one, we're going to just talk about one word. Actually, like one verb, exactly, one verb. If you look at my example here, it says the energy bills used to be expensive. Used to be expensive. So we're going to focus on the word used to. Used to. Yes, so this one here, used to. And we will learn how to speak used to. In what situations can we say used to? Alright, now let's notice first that it's the past tense verb. Past tense verb or verb to for Thai people. So past tense verb is for the past, right? So for something that happened in the past. Exactly. So it's not happening now. It doesn't happen at present, but it happened in the past. Okay? So this one I would write down. The verb is past tense. Past tense. Yes. And I'm going to explain to you now how we can use used to. If you look at this example, the story of this family, we're going to notice the words used to in the sentences. Okay? And eco home, you remember, eco home means the home that is helping the environment. The home that does not damage the environment. It's good for the environment. So let's read the first paragraph. An eco home. From the outside, Simon and Alice's house looks normal. But on the inside, it's very different. Their mom and dad have changed it since they moved in. You notice the verbs? Yep, I've changed it since they moved in. So they moved in the past. It happened already. Why? They wanted to help the environment and waste less energy. Yes. So the word waste basically means to use something and you lose it. You use it and it's gone. Okay? So waste less energy. They don't want to use a lot of energy. They want to use little energy. Okay? So also, the energy bills used to be expensive and they want to save money. Exactly. So this is the example of our sentence in the front, remember? So the energy bills used to be expensive. In the past, the bills were expensive many times. Okay? And they wanted to save money. Now, paragraph 2. These are some of the changes they've made. 1. Simon and Alice's family used to use a lot of electricity. Electricity is the lights, the air cons, okay? Or let's say computers, electronic devices, they all use electricity. So their family used to use a lot of electricity. Now they get energy from solar panels. Solar panels, it's like the panel means something like this. A panel of meeting, people sit in a square or a rectangle table and they discuss. So it's a panel, right? And solar panel means the solar or the energy from the sun. Yeah, so they have the panel maybe on the ground, maybe up on the roof that they have the panels. So they say that they get energy from the sun. Yes. And yeah, on the roof. Here it says solar panels on the roof. They used to throw a lot of rubbish away. Now they recycle lots of rubbish. Exactly. Now they recycle. You see the verb, it's at present. So they say the infinitive verb. It's the present simple. Okay? And you notice the words used to. All right? And the third paragraph, the old owner of the house didn't used to grow vegetables. Now there are fruit trees and vegetables growing in the garden. Now if you look here, it says didn't used to. You remember when we talked about past simple? I think we focused on that in elementary course as well. In the lesson, I think lesson 3, we also talked about past simple. Now past simple, as you know, it's the past tense verbs. But whenever you use negative form of sentences, you would use did not plus infinitive verbs. It means that, for example, you say used to, this is the past tense verb, right? But when you say didn't used to, you see this one? It comes back to infinitive. We have to change it back to infinitive verb. Okay, why? Because didn't is already the past tense verb for you. Do, did, done. Okay? Do, did, done. So you use didn't. It's already past tense. So you need to use the verb use for the infinitive verb. So here it says the old owner, okay, they didn't used to grow vegetables. They didn't do it. They didn't grow vegetables.